In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update PHP on Hostinger. If you're managing a website, keeping your PHP version up to date is crucial for ensuring the best performance, security, and compatibility with the latest web standards. Whether you're running a blog, an e-commerce platform, or a personal portfolio site, these simple steps will guide you through the process of updating PHP on your Hostinger account, helping your site to run smoothly and efficiently. First, make sure you're logged into your Hostinger account. Once you're at the main control panel, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. To begin the update process, you'll want to focus your attention on the Websites section of the dashboard. Click on the Websites tab to see a list of all the domains you're managing. Next, identify the particular website you want to update. Once you've found it, click on Manage. This option will take you into more specific settings and configurations for that particular site, giving you greater control over its individual features and updates. Inside the Manage page, there's a wealth of options, but we're going to focus on moving towards the advanced settings. Now, look for the Advanced section in the side or top menu of your screen. It's crucial to delve into this area because it hosts the PHP configuration settings we need. Click on Advanced, and then proceed to find and click on PHP configuration. This part of the panel allows you to view and modify specific PHP settings tailored to your website's needs. Once you're in the PHP configuration page, you'll see the current PHP version your server is running. Hostinger typically offers a variety of versions, ranging from older iterations for compatibility reasons to the most recent releases. Choosing the right PHP version largely depends on the applications and scripts you're running on your site. Newer versions generally provide better performance and enhanced security. You can find more information about which version might suit your particular needs in your application's documentation or website requirements. After you've made an informed decision on the appropriate version to update to, select your desired version from the drop-down menu provided. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click the Update button. Hostinger will now initiate the PHP version update process. This should only take a few moments, but it's important to avoid navigating away or refreshing the page during this critical operation to ensure that the update completes successfully. And there you have it. Your PHP version is now updated on Hostinger. Remember, keeping your PHP version current is not just about utilizing the latest features. It's about maintaining optimal security and performance for your website. By following these steps regularly, you'll ensure that your site remains robust against vulnerabilities and other online threats. Thanks for watching, and happy web hosting!